Number 1. 1990 GMC 1500, price $7,500. With a well-maintained exterior and interior. It has traveled 71,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The truck's exterior is finished in a rich burgundy color, complemented by a red interior that remains in outstanding shape. Both the inner and outer tie rods on both sides have been replaced, along with the pitman arm, and the truck has undergone a proper alignment. It runs and drives smoothly with no issues, leaks, or rust. The tires are nearly new, and the dashboard is in excellent condition without any cracks. Equipped with a powerful 5.7L V8 engine, it also includes a fully functional heating and air conditioning system. This truck comes with a clean Indiana title, reflecting its well-preserved state and careful ownership. Number 2. 1993 Ford F150, price $5,000. It features an automatic transmission, a clean white exterior, and a well-preserved blue interior, all of which contribute to its classic aesthetic. Running on gasoline, this two-wheel drive pickup is powered by a durable 4.9L inline-six engine, known for its longevity and dependability. What truly sets this truck apart is its pristine condition. The body and paint are absolutely flawless, free of dents, rust, or any imperfections, an extremely rare find for a vehicle of this age. While the body has over 200,000 miles, the drivetrain has only 120,000 miles, ensuring strong performance and reliability. Every component functions perfectly, and the truck requires no additional work. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or simply looking for a reliable classic truck, this F-150 is an opportunity you won't want to miss. Number 3. 1989 Chevrolet Silverado, price $8,500. With 240,000 miles on the body but remains strong and reliable. It is powered by a rebuilt 350 V8 engine, paired with a rebuilt 350 automatic transmission that shifts smoothly. The truck features a fresh white exterior with no dents or scratches, complemented by a burgundy interior. It runs on gasoline and is equipped with cold air conditioning, though it only functions on the highest setting. Recently upgraded, it boasts brand new 20-inch wheels, a new AC compressor, dual exhaust, alternator, and headlights. The rust-free frame has been treated with a black undercoat for added durability. This Silverado is not perfect but is a great-looking and dependable daily driver. It comes with a clean Georgia title, making it ready for its next owner. Number 4. 1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,500. With 332,236 miles as of February 25, it is powered by a 6.5L turbo diesel engine paired with a 4L80E automatic transmission and features a 4.10 rear-gear ratio. The exterior is finished in gold, complemented by a tan interior. It runs on diesel fuel and has been meticulously serviced, with oil changes performed every 1,000 miles. The truck is equipped with brand new Hercules TerraTrack 33-inch tires, which have approximately 5,000 miles on them. The glow plugs were replaced 10,000 miles ago, and a vacuum pump delete has been completed, along with the installation of a new serpentine belt. It also features a spring for a redneck manual wastegate. The front end has been refreshed with a new idler arm and bracket, as well as an upper control arm. Number 5. 1988 GMC 3500, price $6,000. With 219,000 miles on the body. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in gray, while the interior is red, giving it a bold and classic look. Under the hood, it is powered by a 7.4L 454 V8 engine, which was replaced at 176,500 miles. At the same time, the transmission was rebuilt, ensuring improved performance. Recently, the truck has undergone maintenance, including an oil and coolant change. It starts up easily and is drivable, though it does require some additional work. Several new parts have been installed, including a battery, alternator, distributor cap, spark plugs and wires, thermostat, and starter, contributing to its reliability. Number 6. 1991 Dodge D150, price $7,000. With 80,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, a fuel-injected 318 engine, and a sleek silver exterior with a gray interior. This truck has received extensive upgrades, including 5 new BF Goodrich tires, a new water pump, hoses, thermostat, aluminum radiator, shocks, and a rebuilt front-end steering. It also has new window seals, wiper blade arms, and a fully refreshed braking system with new pads, rotors, calipers, rear drums, and shoes. Serviced with AmSoil fluids throughout, it runs great. The driver's window needs a regulator and motor included but not installed, the AC conversion to R134 needs a recharge, and some gauges are failing despite a new speedometer. Rust-free and super clean, this D150 is a solid classic. Number 7. 1970 Ford F100, price $5,000. The truck is a full-size pickup equipped with a 302 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission. This classic truck has been driven for 107,000 miles and remains in fair condition. It runs well and has had 4 previous owners. The exterior is finished in white, complemented by a red interior. It runs on gasoline and comes with a toolbox included. The vehicle has a clear and clean title in Tennessee. While there is some minor ordinary surface rust, it does not affect its overall integrity. The only known issue is that it requires a turn signal switch replacement. The truck is being sold as is. Number 8. 1987 Ford F150, price $6,500. With only 45,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Both the exterior and interior are brown, maintaining the truck's original factory appearance. This F150 is a 2-wheel drive model with its original motor, and it remains entirely original with no rust. It runs and drives well, making it a reliable choice for enthusiasts or collectors. Several new components have been installed, including a new alternator, ignition coil, starter, and starter solenoid. Additionally, it has received a fresh oil change and new spark plugs. The heating system functions exceptionally well, and the air conditioning is also in working order. The interior is in excellent condition, further adding to the truck's overall appeal, with a clean title and receipts available for every replaced part. Number 9. 1974 Ford F150, price $10,000. Features an automatic transmission and a brown exterior. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a 302 V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. The truck is rear-wheel drive and is in running and driving condition. Several updates have been made, including a new carburetor, a new exhaust system, and new front shocks. While it is not a show truck, it remains a fairly nice example of its kind. However, it is best considered a project truck, though still enjoyable to drive. The tires need to be replaced, and a new set is planned to be installed, with the price adjusted accordingly. The truck comes with a clean title in hand. Number 10. 1985 GMC 1500, price $7,000. With 82,000 miles, featuring a blue exterior and interior. It's powered by an SBC 350 crate motor, installed 6 years ago, no paperwork, paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission. It runs smoothly with power brakes, power steering, and great working AC. The dual fuel tanks function properly with a new changeover switch. A retrosound Bluetooth radio adds modern convenience, along with power locks and windows, though the window tracks show some wear. Recent maintenance includes new spark plugs, wires, a starter, a battery, and an Edelbrock AVS carburetor. It also has a new exhaust and newer tires with about 4,500 miles on them. All lights are fully functional.